first graders. Today we're going to talk about something called a suffix. And what a suffix is a fancy word for a word ending. So the two suffixes or word endings we're going to talk about today are ed and ing, which we also call the ing brothers. So the other thing we're going to talk about today is oftentimes when we add a suffix ed or ing to a word, you've got to double the consonant before that suffix. So we'll practice doing that, and then you're going to do it on a worksheet today, and you're going to read books in your decodable today that have those suffixes ed and ing with that double consonant. So this word, or this card, is showing flipped. So the word flip is spelled F-L-I-P. But before we add that ed for flipped, we've got to double that consonant P. And then this card is showing swimming. So swim is spelled S-W-I-M. But before we add the ing brothers on swim, we're going to double the M. And then we add the ing brothers. So let's practice doing that on a few words. So the first word, let's stand up together. H-op. Hop. We're going to make that word hopped, like I hopped yesterday. It happened in the past. So we're going to double the consonant, the last letter in hop, before we add the ed. What's the last letter in hop? It's P, so that's the one we'll double. So when we make hop, hopped, we write the word hop, H-O-P, double that P, and then add the ed. That's hopped. And we'll do the same thing for hopping. We're going to write hop, H-O-P. We'll double the last letter, which is P, and then add the ing brothers. So hopping is H-O-P-P-I-N-G. Hopping. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for the next word. Let's sound it out. M-op. Word, mop. So we've got mop, and then if it happened in the past, mopped, we've got to double that last letter before we add the ed. So what's the last letter in mop? It's P, so we're going to do a second P and then add the ed. And we'll do the same thing for mopping, which means it's happening right now. If I'm mopping, I'm doing it right now. So mop is M-O-P. We'll double the last letter. What is it? P. And then add the ing brothers. Mopping. Okay, next word. N-O-D. Nod. What's the last letter in nod? It's D. What's the letter we're going to double? The last letter, D. So we'll write nod. We're going to double the D. And then we'll add the ed, and we have the word nodded. Nodded. We'll do the same thing for nodding. So nod, remember, is N-O-D. We double the last letter, which is the D. And then we add the ing brothers, and we have the word nodding. Okay, last one. Let's stand out together. P-O-L-A-N. Plan. What's the last letter in plan? N. What's the letter we're going to double? The last letter. What was the last letter? N. So P-L-A-N is plan. Double that last letter, which is N, and add the ed. Planned. And we'll do the same thing for planning. Write the word plan, double the last letter, which is N, and then add the ing brothers, and you have planning. So this is exactly what you'll do on your worksheet today. Let's take a look at it. So they give you the word, then you add the ed, but remember you've got to double the last letter, you've got to double that last consonant, and then add the suffix, the ed. Write the word again over here, double the last letter, and then add the ing brothers. You'll do that all the way down. And then you're going to read your book today, which is called Hopping Buffy. Notice hopping has a double P before the ing brothers. And you're going to have lots of words in this book that have that ed and ing ending where the consonant is doubled, so you'll get lots of practice with that. All right, do awesome. Bye.